This video tutorial explains the zebra function of the LS7P monitor. Tap the screen to open the menu. Tap Functions, and then click Zebra to turn on the zebra function. There are 5 parameters in the zebra tab to set. Area Options enables IR, range, and color. Click Area Options, and there are 3 options: low, middle, and high, corresponding to 3 presets. You can adjust IR, range, and color for any preset. Please note, low and high are not adjustable range options. Middle can be adjusted. Click Enable to turn on or off the zebra display at this range. Click IRE, and by adjusting the IR value, you can cover the brightness level areas of a certain value in the picture with zebra. Click Range, and you can adjust the positive or negative interval of the corresponding range value under the IR value. Click Color. There are 4 line colors: white, red, green, and blue. This option is usually used to set different line colors for each area option to distinguish the underexposed areas, normal exposure areas, and overexposed areas in the picture. You can choose according to your shooting needs. The above is the complete introduction of the zebra function of the LS7P monitor.